Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be testing Bolt.new with my prompts for creating a content generator. Last time we used Klein and it did a pretty good job, but this time I want to see how Bolt does. So we're going to use exactly the same prompt. If you don't know how I made this prompt, just feel free to watch one of the previous videos. I'm just going to press enter here and we're going to see how Bolt actually does compared to the other ones. So let's see. So it's using Vite, which is it's not one that has previously been used as far as I know. This looks good. Search for relevant content using the keyword. Okay, sure. Yeah, if you want to watch one of the previous episodes, guys, then just go on the channel. We'll leave a video here as well. But yeah, all of the previous videos are also just on the channel. Should all be released in order. So, okay, pretty good. Okay, so press generate content here. And we'll see how it does. So I just added my variables here. Also, please use GPT-4o Mini. And please actually think about the process of when to scrape, what to scrape, and use LLM scraping throughout. Oh, nice. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay. It's all blogs, but that's fine. We can sort that another time. Scrape the home page. Extract all links. Sort the links using GPT-4o Mini. Finding relevant ones for keyword. Then scrape a few of those links for images and information. Also fix this. What is error code 400? What is error code 400? Okay, there we go. Analyzing links for relevance. This is so cool that you can do this. Oh, JSON is not valid JSON. Use JSON mode on OpenAI. JSON mode OpenAI. Just give me, why do they have to make everything so complicated, dude? Just give me something simple. Why, dude? There it is, JSON object, is that right? JSON object, yeah, perfect. Yeah. We've got another 10 minutes to work on this, guys, so let's see what we can get here. We're going to do 20 minutes for each of these and see how far we can get every time. Analyzing links for relevance. So the cool thing about Bolt, the thing I've always really liked about Bolt is that it seems to take what you want it to do and actually implement it. And a lot of these other ones, what they do is they just kind of half-ass it. But what Bolt seems to do is it seems to actually consider what you're trying to do in its response. Scraping homepage, analyzing links for relevance. Probably going to fuck up again, I would guess. Oh, maybe not. There we go. Good. Good. Okay, so it's scraped that, and it's scraped that. And then we got 400 code, that's okay. Okay. We got something. Content generated successfully, okay. So it does actually have all of the brands that we sell, so that's good. Let's just send it this and this. So the content was generated successfully, but there's no internal links or images. Plus, I want to see all of that embedded in the generated content section. Okay, so we'll press generate here. Scraping homepage, analyzing links for relevance. There we go. It's always the same 3 links, but that's fine. We could just tell it not to do that. I think the issue here is you're asking it to create a JSON formatted article when you should just output with all scraped data into Markdown. Okay, cool. This time it should work. So men's sneakers, 2men.it, yeah. Okay, kind of, yeah. We're kind of getting stuff done here. It's still clearly not passing on scraped images properly, and the content is just one big blob with no formatting. It's just remaking the entire app now, for God's sake. We already kind of got to the stage. I'll probably give this a 7 out of 10, to be honest with you. I think with a better prompt, this could work a lot better. But Bolt definitely is up there. I do like Bolt. The good thing about Bolt as well is that you don't have to worry about creating the project before starting it, because it will even decide the tech stack for you. So you don't have to worry about any of that stuff, which is really, really nice. Okay, so this is probably not going to work anymore, but that's fine. I just got a little bit angry with Bolt there, and its answer was to be sarcastic and break everything. So let's just see if it works though, because yeah, it's doing the classic sarcasm thing where I asked it to fix it, and instead it just completely broke everything. But that's fine. In terms of the content generator produced, this is a 1 out of 10. But the process and with a better prompt, I would say it was a 7 to 8 out of 10. Oh. Okay, it just went up to a 9 out of 10. Cool, amazing. So yeah, I think we'll leave the video there, guys. You can see they are kitten sneakers. They're not Santoni. They're Premiata. Okay, that's fine. They're Premiata. Okay, yeah, amazing. I'll give that an 8 out of 10. Bolt does seem pretty damn good. There are definitely a lot of things you could change here, and a video that we're going to do very, very soon is working on the prompt before sending this to Bolt, for example. I think we'll do that in kind of the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're watching all the way to the end of this video, you're an absolute legend. I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out. Watch this video if you want to know how to make a content generator using Climb.